Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th, third chapter pair of linear equation in two variable. In this I have already explained exercise 3.5 till the question number 3. Exercise 3.5 till the question number 3. I have explained in the previous. Now I am going to explain the question number 4, which is a statement question. There is a first question given. A part of a monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depend on the number of days on one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes 20 days and A pays rupees 1000 and hostel charges, whereas the student B who has there for the 26 days and paying 1180 as hostel charges. Find the charges, fixed charges as well as the per day charge of the mess. So for this question, we will see here, first of all, let the fixed hostel charges be rupees X and the food charges per day is rupees Y. In this, ATP first. ATP first is for the student A. He is saying for 20 days student A paying rupees 1000. In 20 days fixed charge as well as per day charge. So per day is 1 day Y, so 20 days 20Y, fixed plus mess charge equal to 1. So it is a equation number 1. You can write it as a X minus X plus 20Y minus 1000 is equal to 0. It is your equation number 1. So now we will see here for the next condition, for 26 days a boy is paying 1180. So what will be the fixed charge plus 26y gives you 1180. You can write this as X plus 26y minus 1180. It is equation second which I have written here in the standard form for cross multiplication method. But in the question number 4, it is given here mentioned that find these if they exist by any algebraic method. Any algebraic method you can use the substitution, you can use the elimination, but I have solved all the question by this. Other you, it depends on you. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Then A1, A2 is not equal to B1, B2 because 1 by 1 is not equal to 10 by 13. So what will you get? So it has a unique solution. If it exists means you check also. Now I have told in the cross multiplication method you write the variable and constant and then start the coefficient of y from beginning at end at the base. So B1 B2, then A1 A2, B1 B C A, B1 B2, C1 C2, A1 A2, again B1 B2 I have written. So 20 into 1180 will be this minus 26 into 1000 minus 26,000, but minus of the formula sign minus minus plus. Similarly 1000 and this minus into minus plus, you are getting here 26 minus 20. 26 into 1 26 and 1 into 20 minus 20. So now here we will see the x upon 2400, y upon 180, 1 by 6. So if first one is equal to last constant, you get x is equal to 400. If y upon 180 is equal to 1 by 6, then y equal to 1 by 6 into denominator go in the numerator multiply. So you are getting 30. So fixed total charge is 400 and the per day charge of mess is rupees 30. You can apply any other algebraic method if you want. Here cross multiplication I have told. Second question is given fraction question. A fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator only. Denominator you will get as it is. Numerator is subtracted and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added in the denominator. Numerator is not touched. Find the fraction. So first 3 line you write here. Numerator be x, denominator be y, fraction is x upon y. It is without seeing the question. Then ATP first is saying 1 is subtracted from numerator means n minus 1 upon d means x minus 1 upon y equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. Cross multiply, you are getting this. Then equation is 3x minus 3 equal to y. Write in standard form 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. It is equation 1. ATP second. D plus 8. Denominator increase by 8. Numerator has no change. Then your answer is x upon y plus 8 equal to 1 by 4. Again cross multiply. You are getting 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Here A1, B1, C1. Here A2, B2, C2. Here I have written A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Fair minus 1 minus 8. Again 3 by 4. 3 upon 4 not equal to 1. Minus minus cancel 1. So it has unique solution. Then write from B1, B2, x, y and 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 8, 3, 4. Then again minus 1, minus 1. I have written here. All are seen. B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2. Then again B1, B2. Cross multiply. Minus 1, minus minus 8. Minus minus plus 8 minus 3. Minus plus 8 3 are 24. Minus 24 plus 24. 4 and minus 4 gives you plus 4. So in between there is a minus sign. Solve it. We are getting x by 5, y by 12. So 1 by this constant, another by again this constant you are taking. If this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. Cross multiply 5 and 12. So it is not your answer. Your answer is a fraction. You write in the form of a fraction and it is your answer. 5 upon 12. Third question is given. Let the number of here correct answer be x. A question of the very important. It is a number scored by a student S. S scored 40 marks in a test, but 3 marks for correct answer, 1 marks for the wrong answer. 4 marks. If at the place of 3 he would have taken 4 marks for the correct and 2 marks for the loose, then yes would have got 50 marks. If the ratio was not 3:1, at the place of 3:1 it is 4 and 2. Then it will be 50 total. How many questions were there in the test? No wrong, no correct. You want to get the total number of questions. So for this, first of all you will take, let the number of the correct question be x. And the number of incorrect answers will be y. Not question. Questions are the total questions are x plus y. What is the total? Total is x plus y, which the question is asking. But you are letting correct answer are x, then wrongs are y. Condition first is saying you, he is getting total 40 marks. For this correct, each question correct, he is getting 3 marks. So 3 into x, because x is the correct number of answers. Total is 3x for this, but 1 mark he is losing for the incorrect. Losing means, this lose means negative sign. If you write plus, then it will be wrong. So 3x minus 1 into y equal to 40. It is the correct answer marks, it is the wrong answer mark. Total will be, total means positive be sign, it is a negative. Use the integer form here. It is given in class 8 also this type of a question. 3x minus y is minus 40 is equal to 0. It is your equation number 1. For the second step, he has got 50 total marks. But condition was not like this. What is the condition? Condition is given 4 marks for the correct and 2 marks for the incorrect lose. Lose means minus sign. So 4x he is getting for the total correct answer, minus 2y he is getting for the wrong answer, and total will be not plus sign. 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. So you get 2x, by 2 you divide it, by 2 you will divide it, then what are you getting? 2x, 2 common, 2x minus y is equal to 25, transpose 2x minus y minus 25 is 0. Then A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. A1, B1, C1, 3 minus 1 minus 40, 2 minus 1 minus 25. Here you are getting 3 minus 1 minus 40, 2 minus 1 minus. So 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. Here it is mentioned in the bracket. 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. I have not divided. Direct I am writing A1 upon A2. You can also write like this. It has unique solution. So I have written x, y and 1. Then B1, B2. X means this coefficient you start from here. go here and again come back to here and again go there. It is the circle. Start from here, come back here, and this B1, C1, A1. So minus 1, C1, C2, A1, A2, and then B1, B2. So minus 1 into minus 25 is plus 25. Minus plus 40 you will multiply like this. 40 to the 80 minus 80. Minus 25 into 3 you get the minus 7. How much? 75. So minus here 3 into 1 minus 1 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus will gives you plus. So you are getting, solve it, you are getting x upon minus 15, y upon minus 5 and minus 1. So take first and the last constant and variable. You are getting x is 15. Cut this and this you are taking, then you are getting y is 5. It means 15 questions are correct and it is x, and incorrect y 5 questions, but your answer is not 15 and 5. You want to get total number of the questions they are asked in the examination. So total number of question is x plus 5 and your final answer is 20. Last question you see, which is given for very important question. Last question, part of the question number 4. The area of, no, fourth part, not last, fourth one. Place A and B are 100 km apart on the highway. One car starts from A, another from B, and if the cars travel in the same direction, the different speed, they meet in 5 hours. Same direction. Means one is going to one place east direction, other is also going to east direction. If the both travel in opposite direction, each other, towards each other means opposite, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of 2 cars? First of all, you decide in like a figure I have given. A and B is a part. A is here, B is here. One car starts from A, another car starts from, one is this direction, and if they are in the same direction, then like this. Like this you will get. A start, let the car start from A's speed be x km per hour. Car start from B's speed will be y km per hour. B's speed, B key. B's speed be y km per hour. Now ATP first is saying both are in same direction. Same direction means and meeting in 5 hours. How many hours they meet? I am letting that it is a space C. So from A and B distance is 100 km. Car start from A with a speed of x km per hour and reaches in 5 hours at C. And a car start from B with a speed of y km per hour reaching at C. Both are meeting at C. It means one car travel from A to C, another car travel from B to C. So by distance car formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Do you know? ST, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is x, time is 5, so s 5 into x is 5x. Distance covered by B, which is AC. It is a total distance AC and it is a total distance BC. You are getting according to figure 5x, 5y. Now what is the relation between AC and BC? AC is equal to BC plus AB. Or not? AC is equal to BC, 100 plus BC. Or not? AC is from A to C, BC is only from A. So AC means AB plus BC. So 5x is equal to 100 plus 5y. So 5x minus 5y minus 100 is 0. 5 is common in both the sides. So 5x minus y minus 20. It is equation number 1. Same thing is given for car traveling in the opposite direction, means towards each other. A is going to B and B is going towards A. So what will be the figure? Then it means C will be here in the middle of A. Middle of AB. A start here to this side, B start from here to this side. So distance covered in 1 hour by A will be speed into time x. Distance covered by B in 1 hour will be 1 into y. And now you are getting both AC plus BC will be 100 by figure. So total distance covered, then only they will meet, otherwise if it is 99 then they are 1 kilometer away from each other. So here the total sum will be 100. They are reaching, both are reaching at C. So x plus y minus 100, it is second equation. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So A1 upon A2, again 1 by 1 is 1, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 1, it has a unique solution. I am not solving by any type of method, otherwise elimination it is very simple. Now x, y, B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, again B1, B2, minus 1, minus 100, plus 100, this will be minus 20, again this into this will be minus 2, here 2 into 1, minus 2, and 20, not 2, here 20, 20 into 1 is a minus 20, so minus 100, this minus minus plus, here minus 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. Open the bracket, subtracted, you are getting x by 120, y upon 80 and 1 by 2. Take 1 by 1, you are getting x is 60 and y is 40. So what is the speed of car? Start from a 60 km per hour and the speed of the car start from B, y 40 km per hour. Last question is again, it is a question of area. Again you will write, very important question. The area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit. Directly, first line is given. If its length is reduced by 5 unit, breadth is increased by 3 unit. Other condition, if it increase length and breadth, one by 3 unit and other by 2 unit, both increase, then the area increase by 67 square unit. Find the dimension means length and breadth. Sometimes it will be given, find the area of the rectangle. Again the dimension and then area. Now, area type of question, you let the length be x and the breadth be y. Length be x is unit and breadth is y unit. So area will be xy, length into breadth, L into B. So it is the 3 lines is must. After this ATP1, new area is 9 square unit reduced. So new area equal to your original area minus 9. What is the new length? Reduced by 5 unit, x minus 5. New breadth increased by 3 unit, it is given, y plus 3. So new area will be new length into new breadth, y minus 5, y plus 3, it is your new area. This will be at the place of new area. Area xy will be here. So new area equal to xy minus 9. This page you see. New length into new breadth. New length into new breadth is equal to original area minus 9. That I have written there. So x minus 5, y plus 3, xy minus 9, x minus y. Open the bracket, binomial. X minus 5 into y, x minus 5 into 3 equal to xy minus 9. Open, xy minus 5y plus 3x minus 15 is equal to, transposing, solving, xy will be cancelled, you are getting this equation. Second condition is both are increased, 1 by 3 unit, 1 by 2 unit. New area you are getting this. Condition is given, new area increased 67 square unit. Here given, new area increased 67 square unit. It means, what is the old area? xy plus 67. Open the bracket, again binomial product. You are getting 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equal to 0. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 I have written. Then A1 3 by 2 not equal to minus 5 by 3. From here you are getting unique solution x, y and 1. Now you will get minus 5 minus 61 600 305. 3 into minus 6, 6 3 is 18, like this you will solve. Minus 18, 6 2 is 12, minus 12, minus 61 into 3, minus in bracket this, 3 3 is 9, minus 10. 5 to the 10. Open the bracket. Here you are getting, by opening 305, 23, what is this? 171. What are you getting? 171 by subtraction, and here 19. Now this is equal to this. If you take, then x into 1 upon 19 into 323. 19 1 ja, 19 7 ja. Here y by 19 9 ja, 171. So you are getting length of the rectangle is 1717 units. No meter centimeter is given. And the breadth of the rectangle y 9 units. So it is your final answer. If the question is find the area, so 17 into 90 is your area. Thanks for today. Next lecture we'll meet.